is no fire in the entire school. It was Kahmunrah. Kahmunrah, get over here right now. Did you pull the fire alarm, did you?
Yes. I'm pulling the fire alarm for whole class.
Kahmunrah, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm in the entire school. That's it. Go home right now. Phew. That was close. No fire in the entire school. I will tell my friends.
Evil TZ. Good job for stops from pulling fire alarm.
As for that, you're ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want now.
Thanks, squaddies. You two are the best.